Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to explain you the paper pattern of O-Level Islamiat 2058. O-Level Islamiat consists of two papers, paper 1 and paper 2, both of which consist of 50 marks. The time allotted for both papers are 90 minutes and every question has two parts. The part A is of 10 marks in which you have to write detailed and descriptive answer to the question, whereas the part 2 consists of 4 marks questions in which the examiner asks you to write the importance or evaluation of a topic. Now I'm going to tell you about the chapters of paper 1. First is the 15 Quranic passages. The second is the history and importance of Quran, which includes revelation of Quran, compilation of Quran, and the importance of Quran. The third is the life of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and the fourth is first early Muslim community. Whereas the paper 2 consists of the following chapters. First is the 20 ahadith. The second is history and importance of ahadith, which includes compilation of hadith, structure of hadith, types of hadith, classification of hadith, and the importance of hadith. The third includes the four rightly guided caliphs that include Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, Hazrat Umar, Hazrat Usman, Hazrat Ali radhiyallahu anhu. The fourth is the articles of faith, which includes belief in oneness of Allah, belief in Allah's holy books, belief in Allah's messengers, and belief in the day of judgment. The fifth chapter includes pillars of Islam, that is Shahada, which is known as Tawheed, fast, known as Som, Zakat, which is alms giving, Hajj, pilgrimage, and Jihad is also part of paper 2. The paper pattern of paper 1 is first the compulsory questions, which are 2 in total. The question 1 is the Quranic Passages, which is of 8 marks, and you have to attempt any 2 passages from a choice of 3. Whereas the question number 2 is history and importance of Quran, in which again, as I have told you before, consists of 2 parts, the 10 marks question and the 4 marks question. The 10 marks need to be described in detail, whereas the 4 marks need to be evaluated. Next are the optional questions, in which you are given a choice of 3 and you have to attempt any 2. The topics are question number 3 includes life of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Question number 4 includes first Islamic community, whereas question number 5 either includes first Islamic community or life of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. So it depends upon the examiner to give you any of the 2 topics questions. And as told you before, part A is of 10 marks and part B is of 4 marks. The paper pattern of paper 2 is also the same, in which you have one compulsory question, in which question number 1 is of ahadith 8 marks, in which you have to attempt any 2 ahadith from 4, and question number 2 is history and importance of ahadith, which also has 2 parts, the 10 marks question and the 4 marks question. The optional questions include 3 questions and you have to attempt only 2. Question number 3 is of rightly guided caliphs. The question number 4 is either of articles of faith or pillar of Islam, whereas question number 5 includes either rightly guided caliphs, articles of faith, or pillar of Islam. It depends upon the examiner which question to give you and from which topic. And as told you before, that part A consists of 10 marks question, in which you have to give a detailed and descriptive answer, and part B consists of 4 marks question, which needs to be evaluated, or you need to describe the importance of a topic. So this is the complete paper pattern and the topics for Islamiat 2048. Jazakallah, Allah Hafiz.